How to fix Riot Client unexpected error? Something unexpected happened during authentication. First step, restart your device. Close Riot Client. Open Task Manager. Scroll down and search for Riot Client. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Search it. Click and end the task and restart the device. If the problem still remains, follow the steps. Click Settings. Click Network and Internet Settings. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset and click Reset Now. Click Yes and reset it. Once the reset complete, after move on with next step. Check Windows date and time. Click Settings. Click Time and Language Settings. Click Date and Time and make sure the set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both should be in enable mode. If it is disabled means you need to enable it. It's important settings. Close it, then move on with next step. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right click Riot Client. Click Properties. Click Compatibility and make sure the compatibility mode should be in disable. Enable the run the program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings. Hold down and check for Riot Client. It should be enabled in both private and public. Riot Client and Valorant should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application is not having means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click Browse and add the application. Go to C drive, Riot Client. You get the Riot Client application by clicking the Riot Client folder and get the Valorant application by clicking the Valorant folder. Click it and click the application and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable in both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. In the next step, open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space means sometimes the error will occur. Right click C drive, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. It's entirely scanning your C drive. Once complete, after it will throw up the message successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Restart the device. Thank you.